Sanibonani wengane zakwethu uNjabulo Ndlovu sesiphinde sabuya kwi-Blessings TV. Ngiyanamukela nonke. Namhlanje ngikhuluma noMelusi Zulu undaba ezethu Magebe. Sikhuluma nge-character. Sizobheka nje i-character yama-Christian ukuthi fanele ibe kanjani. Siphinde sithinte futhi nobukhosi nezinye izinto njengomuntu wasebukhosini undaba ezethu. Uzophinde futhi asichazele ngobukhosi basezulwini noma semhlabeni nokuhluka kwakho ukuthi ke kukanjani. Asinamukeleke nonke. Very important.
Very important details about it. As about one was a tiwa uba, like my son, I'm here now.
Of course,
Because yes, sir. I'm something. Reason being, okay, that made me put it this way. I'm something of course, but in truth, something. Not actually color anything, but I'm so that I'm now, but so the truth, not by choice. Yes. I really see. I bet you are so possible. If you are sick, as we speak, but come and visit as you know now, Naman was the largest father. So that happened. Navitians are all generation it's not something that we come to because of course it will last in us now. It's been a matter so can I imagine so since the king I'm putting
of course,
yeah.
I mean,
I feel I never find this. Of course, Bala was in the Sugar Mangatiwa, Tiwa, J. Long Elia Bui, so the same car, the same Tiwa, we don't land where so my course. I when I get Christianity, I'm analyzing so much from the beginning until my course. I'm analyzing the Christianity. I'm like, what is it? The one is going to be considered that I do not live. Understand? What is it? The one is saying that I do not live into because they believe that most of my course, first of all, the impulse that's why. Also, I want to give you a course. I'll put it again. In fact, I was in Hawaii. And because of the heat, course. Number 6 say England, you are so
Mangathiwa njengomzalwane. Nekuyithuba lokuthi usilufuzana nami.
No, phela uma inkosi kunama-benefit athile akeke ngalo waye ngizonqabelana
angizothi uzosashayisa manje akusengicompromise
no angithi yimi inkosi phela uma uyinkosi izwe lapho slow uyakhohlwa ukuthi mina mangathiwa ngiyavuka kuthiwa Zulu njengamanje kwethu phuthuma manje hlukile suyinkosi manje mina mangithi sanibonana ekhaya sekuwumthetho lo mangithi sasa eKZN so everything that I say becomes so mina manje mangathiwa suyinkosi hawu ngavele ngakhe ibandla ngathi ngisuka nje ngishaya umthetho ukuthi eKZN angithi uyazi ukuthi ebukhosini khona lento yokunsizwa nani ngeke kube mnandi kakhulu angithi lento yokunsizwa ngiyamisana nokuthi kufanele kube nokuthi so mina ngathi ngifika ngathi mina yonke insizwa iyakhona why izothi yonke insizwa iyakhona if I can live correct indodana wesilisa owesifazane i-order yokulala ngathi ngifika ngithi naye wonke umuntu wesilisa manje awafuna ukukholwa eKZN akahamba ekwamanye angithi manje sengimanje inkosi masemhlabeni because masesimanje manje benze day one
okay
njengoba mawukhwela ebukhosini umfula sebukhosini awukwazi ukuthatha intombi fanele uyothatha kulo omunye bobukhosi mawukuthi udecide ukuye eGhana fanele mawufika eGhana uthatha i-princess yaseGhana so ubukhosi ngiyakumeja manje ukuthi akuhlangane ubukhosi kube yinto eyodwa
umfundisi ubungozi lo muntu
ya
ngiyafuna ukwenza ethi yena wasebukhosini
ya
ethi kwamele umuntu uthatha abafazi izinto ey'ningi ezimgunyaza ukuthi ezizintathu njengomuntu wasebukhosini kodwa kangawenza ama-advantage ukuba yinkosi ongawayenza ukuthi uKristian mhlawumbe ukuthatha abafazi
mhlawumbe we have to come back to the character yomuntu yabona if there's an episode that I was sent this morning there's an episode that I was sent this morning with your ex so they said it there khona umuntu obethi lensizwelwana fanele but I didn't look it upon that way there are episodes mighty with your ex ithi ibe i-character yomuntu vele dale kwayo wakufanele kuyona now kuleya episode sinabafana abawu-2 abanentombazane eyi-1 omunye wayethanda intombazane ushithela yahlukana nayo yajola nomngani wakhe manje umngani wakhe uzoconfessa ukuthi brawa senjola nontombi yakho intombazane leyo iyazi ukuthi straight isalomfana umfana okhethekile lo othatha intombi uyaveza ukuthi mina ngikwazi wena ntombazane ukuthi ujola ngazo omunye okay nansi into engiyabona ukuthi lo mfana okhethekile uyakuqinisa ukuthi mina kulungile ngazikhetha but namhlanje ngifuna kwazi ukuthi angeke ngikwazi ukuthanda umZulu. Instead uyak-highlight ukuthi mina ngumZulu. Okay, size kuloko bezoconfess ukuthi ngithandana nawe, so asitshele lo exhibit A lo ukuthi ngakuthanda. Now mase kukhuluma amafayela akhe lokuthi kahle kahle ukhona usedilini lentombazane uyakuconfessa la ukuthi kahle kahle ufuna isithembu ngumZulu. Now uyabona ukuthi njengamanje sinabafana abawuthula ababona ukuthi bona bangazulu, so abakwazi manje leyo. That's not a character of a Zulu. That's not how we are known for. No. Okay, let me rephrase. That's what we are known for as a Mazulu. Face that. That's what Amazulu is known for. Now it comes to one person's character when as a person, as Umzulu, as Umxhosa, as Umfedi, as Umtswana. Because Tata abafazi abaningi angibona ukuthi kuyenza ngoba uyi-try. Sentence with you.
Manje I guess Clarence i-character ibizwa wathola ukuthi njengane
Yes.
uthola ukuthi kwaXhosa akusiyo into ehlonishwayo. So bese abantu i-character zokuba abantu kabuye i-character ehlukile nale azokwazi.
Yes.
So ingazokwenza i-character i-character.
Okay, i-character buildwa into edlala. Bakithi bedlala ngayisho i-rice. I-character buildwa into edlala. Mawukhona ubukhosini, one for example, ebukhosini umkhulu uzoba ngamakhosikazi awu-7. Okay, umkhulu uba namakhosikazi awu-7, nawe uzoba ebukhosini. Uyayibona impilo yasebukhosini ukuthi njani, bla bla bla, yonke leyo nto. Now, when it's your time, you will like, I want to build my father's house. When I'm about 4, your sons will be like, I want to be like my father. I want to bakula basha like ukuthi isithembu it's allowed. Now i-character yabo uma ikhula kwazi ukuthi yonke le nto yenziwa la it's allowed, it's into of a period. Now masiqhubeka sizobona umuntu ongeyena wasebukhosini owumZulu udlala nasebukhosini. Because bamaZulu makuyinkosi I'm allowed to take anything to everyone and wonke umuntu uyafisa ukuba nabo. Now sekuzoba khona abantu babo ababona bengenza inkosi ayinamakhosi ukuyenza inkosi ukuyenza bayayidla lento bayidlamile angithi nje ukuthi mamiyinkosi whatever I say whatever I do becomes now bayibona ukuthi inja leyo abazi angithi abakayiphile inja leyo. Now mase beyidlile leyo uSibisi noDlamini noNdlovu nabo sebedle lento yasebukhosini senamakhosi awu-3 namakhosi awu-4 namadlozi ama-characters abo they are similar to this one.
Yeah.
Of course, no, now come to the Christianity. Your question was the compromise your ultimate yengayenza cha into yasebukhosini yes ngiyile ngiyayibona ukuthi ayinoyazi khona le. But now I'm eating a different meal. When I'm eating a different meal, I taste it. Now my character has to change. from what I know to what I want to become. The character will change to this. Now there will be, after 100 years, now there will be a king, but I want one wife. How? A German. It is under no valid duty. Ngabe khona lento ukuthi inkosi abaya kona umkhize okona because iqala la ebukhosini ukuthi okoma abaningi nekanya uyafuna ukwekhondesa inkosi. Now into esengidlile in Christianity ithi I'm gonna be a man of one wife. Now when I'm a man of one wife, whatever I feed my people, they eat exactly what I feed them. Now they will realize now, okay, this is new and this is different. The Zulu king, one wife, and it's beautiful, and all of that. Now the character of Amazon is changing. Who's over called habit. Habit now. But kuzohamba ekuthenini njengamanje mina selithe I'm a king of one wife. Yeah? Now the character is changing everything and everyone around me. Why? Because lento enginikeza laba bantu engifundisa laba bantu babo bakhethe nengibakholayo, it's different than what my father taught me. Now I'm creating another nation with a different character. A nation doesn't take. After Ompu, after square staging, we know exactly what is taking that. I want to be a perfect man. Not that I'm a perfect man, but I want to live according to the law of this king.
Also, we will say I was starting to population so this is starting.
If it's to build a nation, if it's a worker, is I can. But at the same time, I cannot. You know why? Because right now I'm getting I'm peeing because I'm full. Saying peeing because I'm getting me. So let me get free. You should have a tiwa. It is true. So can I but what can I say? Christianity is the kingdom on its own. So if it's a kingdom on its own, if Mena Mesotic would have appeared as a column, yes, it's real. Tatting, balancing, the muscle, the muscle, Cabana, but force at it. I'm about to say it to me now. I know about your own which is about time. This is not trying to buy it. I'm trying to figure out what's in a feast in the kingdom. It's something that is usually known years ago. But its behavior as a woman after labor is not heavenly kingdom centric. Because so omunye umuntu uzofika enze angithi kuyadliwa la character we character situation nje omunye umuntu uzofika la athi ayisiyabuza ngakusasa kuthi athi so uthini uNkulunkulu wakho na kuyenza so
uyakuzobona ukuthi asize isondeze kakhulu ngoba vele sikhuluma ngomkhosi character kingdom eBhayibhelini amakhosi abekhona abamaningi uJesu engakafiki uDavide uSolomoni ibona abahamba Jesu wabekho sehlile kanjani esesemzameni kunala makhosi akhona
uzothi mina ubuze ngiphephele ngathi esengifune ubaleka umuntu omoya omnandi you go ahead ngizothi kwena mina oDavide noSolomoni babe ngamakhosi ababeceba ngendlela yokuthi masisuka la sizola umkhosi wasekuthele sithathe yonke mina sibuye nawo sekuyethu masisuka la sizoya emkhosini ukuthi sibeke sithathe leyo nation sibuye nawo sekuyethu. Most of the wives ababenawo babuwathatha kwamanye ama-nations. Most of them ababenawo babesuke beyiphuce amanye ama-nations. What is the difference? What differs uNkulunkulu from those kings as Diablos is the fact that he's a divine king. His divine nature ikwenza ungakwazi ukuqhathanisa uSolomon naye. Understand? Bese kuzothi uNkulunkulu bakhe for the fact ukuthi uzohamba emhlabeni akushintshi akuzuzoba lapho sekuNkulunkulu uzofela abantu akupheli ukuthi has divine yena nesono doesn't mix. So ukuthi bana nokusaza amaningi isono abalaleli nababukeli ababukeli banezinto abayishoyo masebenzisa nabe noma nje ngiyowasha something yangitriggerisha ngithola sengishukile moya ngisuka ngihlele ithi le ndoda God came so that we may have life Ukosi bakhe kusuke kakhulu ukaSolomon was after everything for the flesh. Okay. Yonke into kaSolomon uDavide was yayihamba yonke ibuyele enyameni. EkaNkulunkulu izohamba yonke ibuyele ekuthenini so whatever uNkulunkulu azenza shaya ikhosi is reminding who's the king, so he cannot subject himself to a sinful nature. His character makes sure our face all men babake fear more toward now look at that Maria nje wahlala phansi asabana siswa ukuthi ngisuse phela lo understand but i-character yakhe yayingavumi ukuthi asuke kuNkulunkulu eze phansi ebese ezokhokha the mandate ayizenze ebese ezobehave as Solomon abe nabantu abaningi azoba-intimate lokho kuzobulala uNkulunkulu this is why I feel forward. Aphile anqoba yonke into uDavide noSolomon. Ebese hamba enkulu benjalo. Ngithi mina uSolomon afika bese buye ayothi I insist. Understand? Sees. UDavid wayehamba beda bathi bamfuna abantu abesebuyela kuye amazi ukuthi lo akahlula ukuthi singamakhosi amabili but kunenkosi engaphezu kwamakhosi engacompromise nature yayo isebenzisa i-kingship. So he had to come down azonqoba into eyakhe uSolomon noDavid namanye amakhosi ayesephilile because uDavid wabona ehamba phezulu wambuke lapha phansi wabona ukuthi lo yamfuna uJesu akambukanga imali imali yawafika phakathi endaweni zakhe base kakushiya uNkulunkulu bakhe wathi namhlanje ithuba lapho. Understand? He remained as the king. He is gentle, he is loving, he is kind, and he is patient. uDavid ekumboneni unkosikazi umuntu loya wakhohlwa ukuthi inkosi, that is my subject, I have to protect that subject. Yena wafuna ukuyi-owner ayenze yakhe, though she was married. That's a sinful nature. Yes. Yabona i-character or it's a character a Christian. The only thing kufanele sikwazi ngayo character Christian, it's only the pursuit of holiness, joy, righteousness, kindness, faithfulness, and any other thing. As always, when I'm actually now, singaphazamisana. Sikulomzimba. As a Christian, otherwise umuntu nje. Angithi mina ngi-Christian, I resemble my father. So, ukuhlala ne-Christian noma hlala ne-Christian, akufanele. Mina, I have to keep my character intact as a Christian. When you can do whatever that you want, but when I have to keep my character intact, I can't behave as a hooligan because when you are behaving as a hooligan. So when you are overpowering the character that I'm trying to pursue. God, fanele mina into oyiyona kungayo Christian. Fanele ubone ukuthi into oyiyona it's not good enough if your character is not like mine. So I have to feed you something as well as ubone ukuthi no. That's the also this is different than I am. I'm not a Christian, but I want to be like him. How can I be like him? And then I have to introduce the law, the book of life before the book of the truth before life ends. The book of instruction. That's the Bible. Now I have to fit to that. No, Emmanuel with the message is a drive. Message is more for garages. So with this, you check out mafuta. Once it's all this, there's a result. I think I'm mad. The character your messages. It's only see too much again all. Sort of the messages. I'm a character of each class. Oh, come on. Each class character your ebese uthi lokho uyaphela kuservice lokho umuntu ahamba nje ayibonele uye kumendlela yakubonethe athi ngethawula abantu athi ngethawula ukuphola qhubeka nendlela and the messages uhamba iyakhuluma messages ukuthi no ithaya lakho la ngemva lidinga umoya o2.5 awuthuphelele fika la chopa ende 2.5 uthi mawuphuma ethi no amafutha wa-check-up lento ihamba besibuko kwena ukuthi okay, how am I behaving? Am I behaving good or am I behaving bad? how is my character towards other people. That's yes, sir. I prefer you all. I'm going to be the No, I prefer you all, and I'm being honest with this. You know why? Not really with that and stuff. That's what it about you, they overlook everything the Old Testament has done. They want to live freely and do whatever the Spirit grace has covered. At the Old Testament, it wasn't with a yogi. I do not take that you would say, I will sin, and then I'll come back next to Anna. That I will. Why? Because now when you know the truth, you can live according to the truth. Umthetho is not all bad.
Yeah.
There's I can assure you that when a Christian is almost 10 years saved and the enemy has been in the Old Testament. Why don't I believe in the Old Testament? Because to Umthetho, something intention is weakness. But uNkulunkulu akasho ukuthi uzokha imithetho. Akaza kuba so okomthetho-ke it is obliterated now in opinion ukuthi ngizogcwalisa. So entweni ekhona ufike ngi-add something. So emthethweni sekune-flavor egrace. Oh, kwi-Christian, okay. Bazothi awukuthini uzochaza. Emthethweni, umthetho uthi uzobona kulesi silwane uzoyihlanza stuff. No, awunaki because the only person okufanele angenze le nto is the priest. Okufanele aye kwi-Holy of Holies. Uyena okufanele ayokuphumela kwi-Holy of Holies. Angazi ufika thini upriest lapha. Mina ngeke senhlizwe njengamanje. But upriest uma ngibona ngibona isono.
Manje kunyanga kahle izinto zakho zaphambana.
Wazi kanjani sisi? Mhlawumbe wafika uKristu wathi usebethileke Nkosi. Aphuma. Angayisho lesenhlizweni. Into emnandi leGrace ukuthi ngeke semedlule. Angidingi nje silwane. Ngiyikazi la kathini. Sengilapha ngathi Nkosi. Mina sengiyindlela. Sengikuqala phela phansi. Nkosi. Ngiyasusa ebusweni bakho.
Manje wayeprepare ukuthi ungazathini.
Right now, so umuntu ophila kwi-old nophila kwi-grace, to me there is no difference. It's just that right now asikuboni ukuthi uyini. Kanti kwi-law esikubona ukuthi hayi ulobo ubhede nazi isilwane. Now since uphila kwi-grace wena asakuboni ukuthi uyini. Abantu abangayifundanga bazothi having sex it's sin, but God has forgiven the sin. Now we have a problem in Christianity. Because you can't sin as you want, just because God will forgive you. And then he comes back and says, he who sins knowingly will never be forgiven. When a message I snakes, should you tell our pain and I ought to do not sin? I want to do not sleep. Those are 10 commandments. So Unkulunkulu came to put a flavor to those. I was going to just because when I prepare flavor, it's below the pattern of job. So wherever this is a job, flavor, the single what you want to know, I will still, but I will move with grace at the same time. We cannot live like that. You still cannot sin. When I be Christian, you cannot steal. You have a grace, you have the law. It's yes. How many? Bese sithini mayethi owena azi sithini ngaloko because phela angithi I can this but the law I can at the same time if no I can you know if uthi lo iphelile asayabeke phela ngoba sinegrace yini singalandela abafazi babantu ngoba igrace ikhona vele sizoba mnandi yini ngafiki la kajeni uqambela mama wazi ukuthi uqambela mama yini kwamvumela uqambela mama wazi ukuthi uqambela mama so uqamba mama doesn't mean okay sorry but it has to place ikhona yini engazuli kulibheki ethi mina uJesu uyile sokubona ngena kunyaka But let's say to Kababa, God forgive me, that's so please. You cannot tell lie. You know, I come down in the New Testament, I come to be old, but do not lie, that's the law. Mount Sinai, who grew up at the issue. Tablet, what would I do most? I pay just because what a flavor we know. Uti, we feel. Zogcwalisa into ikhona nathi phela la yo but sekune grace ediwe njengoba sekugcwele le mbodlela but if the grace uphakathi konke awukwazi ukwenza njengoba thanda just because you grace angeke ukwazi then you are not a Christian enough. A Christian enough is the Christian that has the law and the grace. Because what I will go and repent now and you know, I don't know, I'm going to if you know, if I don't do now and it's not to me, I don't do yeah. No, up top. Can't go for the right performance. Almost it. The spirit man, the only way, as always, the spirit man, and a party man. What you say is we feed a child. Yes, you put it up with God, and there's a little thing of say, you put it up with God, you don't look to current, young, intent, or current, intent to this man, ultimately. It's to seek God, not man. We put them on God, seek God, not man. Moya, Amos, uNkulunkulu baqabula abantu baqabula ngempela indaba yomhlaba. Abesethi you have not yet intended to leave. Why? Because umzimba ufuna ubona mawuphuma nje la iso lami liyangwalisa nje mangiphuma nje uyayazi indawo sebehlala mangiphuma la iso lami liyangwalisa manje mangifika nami ubhode nje iso livele lamuva lapha baba ngitholela because ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyile angigcini ukubuka ngiyacabanga ukuthi lento mase siye isiza la manje mase ngiyahliza ngayo that's the seed. So in order for me to keep my character intact, I have to seek God, not men. Once we are in chapter 5, same book, Amos. Ati, seek me, so you may live. So character of God, I'm never told us that thing. So told us that. Honestly, they put it there. What fear God, not me.
What I do for the president, they don't put in time.
Yes.
God, as I said, then
You fear God.
I feel God not me.
Yes.
I won't be there.
Why?
Oh, who ways you I think it's who the window so it's corner.
Okay.
God balance the pool there. When I say,
Angithi no. Angithi la sikhuluma character. Shothi character is something okusetshenzwa phela.
When they think sure, it's kunabantu ongazathi character yabo. Kunomuntu okuthiwa kuthiwa asibambe fasting akwazi ukufasta uma engazibuza kudala ukuthi wena ubani nje ukhona bezofasta uthola ukuthi uzobhekela endleleni uyabona ukuthi kusho ukuthi lo muntu usabele
Akabisabi
amsabe so umuntu omthanda abantu i-character yabo iba yinhle ngoba besabambe abantu
shothi akaqinile ezweni.
izinto ey'sho ukuthi umuntu ongasekuthiwa keke akasabi umuntu ayomuntu kuba yinkinga ngoba manje ukhona umuntu ongabeka eceleni akhohlwe umuntu inkinga akazokwenza yebo i-character yakhe isadinga ukusetshenzwa kodwa manje mangitshela ukuthi mina ngizama uNkulunkulu hayi
nanokuthi ukusaba uNkulunkulu abantu bakuphothele
okay siyasisana lokho engisho ukuthi iqiniso
lokuyiqiniso engephiko. Why? Because when you can do whatever that the pastor said, but you do not listen to the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit can tell you, no one can say, pray for space, pray for umgana, or pray for your father. So if possible, your prayer to 6 also, so if I have prayers, that's not you fearing. But manga follow pastor money actually son wake up. I want you to pray. You will pray. That's not you fearing God, you fear him. In fact, it comes down to the point that it is God. Then you sabo kulukulu. It bad way as if kulukulu uzokushaya kusemanzini maybe nabantu uzomthotshanisha uNkulunkulu mawungamsaba. Kanti uNkulunkulu is a father, a gentleman. In fact, there is no father like him. I wonder God is this kind of a father. Uzomyeka kuyise stofini so that you may understand that stop siyashisa. Bese uyakhala uyakuyeka. bese kunikeza instruction yokuthi in order for you to avoid ukusha, because isandla sakho silokhu sifisa ukwazi ukuthi wenzakala noma uswazi, in order for you ukuthi ungayi lapha nansi indlela ofuna uhambe ngayo. Say for example, ngiyayisho lebala le ngifuna nje yawona, if wake walala wesilisa, it's hard to unlearn that habit because you know exactly what you're like. You lose yourself. But myself, why I understand it. Now, since we get the instruction, in order for you to avoid this, you don't have it. If you're not ready yet to get Anguthi angifuni bela kanjalo, angifuni bela kanjalo. No, angifuni bela kanjalo because we tend to mislead other people. No, life we tend to misinterpret that very place. If wasn't you will have a girlfriend. In your mind, your spirit, you will tell yourself, I will wait with this person until the right financially stably and everything. Then we get married, then we have sex, then we build a family, then we have kids. It's a beautiful thing ever to have someone that you will grow with. Understand? Yeah, so we say food. I'm like this I don't. Mount today now. I said it and that again that I have socializing or something. Understand? Yeah, you understand the baby. We are growing together. But there will come a time where now we are familiar to each other. Now, when I come into my place, it's easy for you. I understand what when you come to my house, what will happen. Single baby, to show Netflix and chill. Popcorn and stuff. Aliki cha ususenzisa wena uyasenzisa manje. Akasenzisa. Uyasenzisa. Akasenzisa. Ubheka ngezilo ukuthi sizokwenza iBible study. Ubheka uzobona future husband. Ngani yonke ngishoyo ukuthi when you're not ready to get married, you know. My fingerprint is a shouting piece of change, short of coin. As food, yes, trust me, it's a full thing that's a example to other people. Understand? Umzimba on its own. Ufuna nje. Sizobona ukuthi ngidefuna. Umzimba wenza overpower the spirit. Sesonile. Asifuna ukubona. Akusonile manje.
Okay, the question is, that was it.
Yes. That is a very good question though. Because Abu will allow me down. No, I'm so dead.
Kingdom.
Yeah. Yes. ask you a question first as independently. Let's say everything that is here. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. You believe what God gave you all this setup. You prayed and God gave it to you.
Yeah.
And everybody was telling what one knows and understanding that God gave you the setup. Remember, God and the enemy are not on the same level. God is always above. But the enemy can go to him and say, so people can allow that things happen to you.
Okay.
Also, two people come up here. Weird. Okay? For Kejima, igijima siyosho laza uyashona impela wayeshumayela yafika zasho ukuthi lo omthandayo uyashona wayesibethile wabazi suka lapho wayakwendawo wayeshumayela waze washona. He could have came and said Laza phila asusukula qhubeka Laza. So he allowed that thing to happen in the face of the multitude. He allowed that thing to happen. But why they was short? They said, this death must not happen, but for the sin that you make. So he will let that thing happen to you, so that when you keep your faith, you keep your character, you keep praying, you keep faithing with him. These two shall pass. That's the thing I call it. I'm calling you what to make my life as a God's son, as a God representative, as a son in the kingdom, as a Christian who live fully according to the word of God. The enemy has